हेलो हेलो
बात करते रहो, बात करते रहो, बट प्ले लाइक पूरा खेलना है, एंजॉय करो, कोई इश्यू नहीं है, ठीक है, चलो क्या लिया है टाइम दिया टाइम दी बाबा
फॉलो कोणाला करायचं फॉलो कोणाला करायचं
मारेल ना समज त्यांचा मारेल ना त्याला फॉलो कर स्टार्टिंगला नंतर झूम आउट करून ठेवून दे दुसऱ्याने तुला दोन्ही कोड दिसतील असा ठेव कळलं म्हणजे हा मारेल ना तर ह्याला झूम कर झूमिंग कर फॉलो कर ह्याला आणि मारून झाल्याच्या नंतर मग झूम आउट करून ठेवून दे बस मारताना फक्त फॉलो कर झूम आउट करून ठेवून दे त्याने दोन्ही तुला दिसतील चलो भाई ऑन द बेस्ट गाइस
आपली नाही आपली आहे
गेलो ना बोल चल सेकंड रन कैप्टन स्टार्ट लोल
इतना लंबा है
पुढे बसा ना तिथे.
काय स्कोर
सतपुर प्रीमियर लीग
अभी पहुंच रहा है इधर.
सतपुर प्रीमियर लीग 2024
टेबल इकडे घ्यायला लागेल. इकडे होतं टेबल त्या दिवशी.
Royal Rajasthan Club organized a beautiful tournament. Welcome all the viewers, spectators and supporting staff over here. The first match, the first semi-final between Kanakratna Sunrisers versus B United. These two teams are there who are playing against each other. The magnificent game of volleyball. This sponsored out by Bansali Engineering Polymers Limited and co-sponsors of this beautiful tournament is here. Strength, safety and success.
Sponsored out by Bansali Engineering Polymers Limited and co-sponsors of this beautiful tournament.
Both the teams are very much a strong team in the points table. They are moving to this stage of semi-final. The United playing magnificent throughout the tournament.
त्याचाच आवाज येतो.
Saptapur Premier League 2024 trio. The organizer of this beautiful tournament, Royal Rajasthan Club 2024, is sponsored by Bansali Engineering Polymers Limited as well as co-sponsors of this beautiful tournament ACL. The strength, the safety and success. This time a beautiful rally between these two teams, the United and Kanakratna Sunrisers Libro, jersey number 614. Congo always fast and furious. We've seen football matches as well as we've seen box cricket in Raghuvanshi Mall, Lopare. And this is the third day of a volleyball game which was started on the inauguration of this season, the 31st March 2024. The Royal Rajasthan Club organized a beautiful, handsome and much more attractive tournament every year. The start of the tournament 2027, right from that 2024 this year. The Honorable Chairperson, the President Lalit Chandanji and his team organized taking the more and more efforts to make the tournament successful. The beautifully this time at midpoint absolutely this is the final day and you are watching the match between Kanakaratna Sunrisers winning team, as well as the good judgment this time landed outside the court, and the Kanakaratna Sunrisers are moving ahead. The break point, in the break point, we'll see what is the timetable. Point table. Also, this is the scorecard. Big time. The United always fast and furious. They are ahead. Always easy approach by Sangli just especially the middle. RM is number 99 for the net. Is in the 7. These are the players of Team United. Absolutely. That's the start of the match. The referee Sir Ode, and start the match the 45 minutes. So both teams are equal in a strength manner. They are the Kanakaratna Sunrisers, men in pink jersey and men in grey, always the fast and furious United team. 4-0. This is the score. Till the time of point are there 15 is the team total for each and every team. The rally is going this time Libro, Kango, Sangli, jersey number 26. Libro to Libro. The game is fast and furious this time. This is the semi-final match. Always we're watching that match with the ease, because the live telecast ND Sports are live. I welcome again all the spectators, the dignitaries and supporting staff who are watching the live cricket, live matches, ND Sports live volleyball matches today, followed by box football and box cricket as well. The 14th April today, the final of volleyball matches, semi-final. Two semi-finals are there. Sponsored of this tournament, Bansali Engineering Polymers Limited, and co-sponsors the ACA, Strength, Safety and Success. These are the three mottos of ACA. So thanks a lot all the sponsors and all the organizing committee, RRC committee. They're doing the best job this year. The successful tournament which is going on, the final day of volleyball you are watching, and Sports live streaming. Again this time Mahipal, Nimesh, jersey number 7, Libro, the game is there. Yes, so this time net through the net by is going on this time. Again, big game over here. Kanakaratna Sunrisers versus B United, the first semi-final of this beautiful tournament, Sattva Premier League 2024, the trio. The good rally going on once again. Passes and blockers and setters, all the players are doing at their best to make a success and win the match as well. This time Nilesh. Once again this match is going to be much and more interesting because both the teams are very much in strength. This time RM, what a good work. The setter always doing the best job, and he should be for his best points for his team. Again, the Sunrisers, they are rising beautifully in this tournament. Yes, there is a mistake, and the point will gather. Absolutely.
चलेगा चलेगा कोई नहीं गई चलो
4-1, this is the time. Sunrisers opening their account. Kanakaratna Sunrisers, men in pink, now they are wake up with the sunrise. Good morning all the viewers who are watching the ND Sports live streaming. The volleyball matches organized by RRC team and sponsored by Bansali Engineering Polymers Limited, as well as the co-sponsors of this beautiful tournament, Asia. So much more interesting match, 4 versus 1. The B United leading this match at the moment, but Sunrisers, they have the capacity to come back as early as possible, because 15, this is the team total to set a point and win the match as well. This time Mahipal doing their best. B United, they are playing like United. The match on last Sunday, quite interesting match, and B United team shows strength and struggle, and they have a capacity to come back and get that point and match as well. Capacity, mental and physical strength tested as always in the volleyball matches. Now service by Kanakaratna Sunrisers. Yes, by the signaling this time, the start of the match again through the net this time, but safe and passing that ball in the B United side. Good straight. Once again, a good rally going on. Oh, this time one-handed, but at the
watching the match between Kanakaratna Sunrisers.
good battle going on between the two teams, Kanakaratna Sunrisers and B United. These are the two teams. The first semi-final of the match, as usual, they are firing fast and furious. Answer it, what is it? The match going on between Kanakaratna Sunrisers and B United, the first semi-final of this volleyball matches. Royal Rajasthan Club organized Satyapur Premier League 2024 trio. The good battle once again, good rally going on, because both the teams are strong and they want to win the match absolutely. Which team will enter into the final? That is the question. In a few minutes, the 45 minutes time given for the match. Of course, United, always there's a net man, jersey number 99, doing RM, doing the excellent job throughout the tournament. We've seen once again. Yes, Nilu, as the serviceman for the B United, doing their job marvelously throughout the tournament. The score is 4 versus 1. The B United leading this time. Nilu, the Mahipal, the libero. The libero Kanungo. This time once again Sangvi doing their job best and best, because this is the semi-final, dear friends, and every team wants to enter in the final. The final match will be played after the right on 10th of morning, 10 hours absolutely today, and the prize distribution ceremony for the volleyball matches will be conducted with the hands of honorable guest today. The first game of volleyball, followed by box football and box cricket as well. The three games which are provided by the RRC team, they organize the magnificent organization throughout the season. Each and every game, the beautiful organization from the organizing committee. President Lalita Chandanji, the president of this tournament, as always acting nicely and doing the job the best and best to organize this such a successful and wonderful tournament sponsored by Bhansali Engineering Polymers Limited and co-sponsors Asia. Right from 2007 we are watching this tournament successfully handled by the organizing committee. Royal Rajasthan Club, RRC, organize the semi-final you are watching between Karakrata Sunrisers and B United. They are playing like united team. Combination is excellent. The experienced, and always there is a Sunrisers this time. They are come back with the ease. For all, this is the scorecard for you guys, and dear friends, this is the semi-final and attractive semi-final. You're watching the game of volleyball. Look at the score levels for all. Remember, both the teams are very strong teams, and they show their best game so far, and they are coming in the semi-final to enter in the final. Which team will enter in the final? That is the question. As always, every spectator excited a little bit more. Yes, this time, yes, but in vain. Absolutely, alertness required in this game. The mental and physically ability are much more tested while playing this volleyball game. The hot and humid climate of Mumbai. You're watching the Mumbai School Sports Association CST ground.
इधर बैठ जाएंगे क्या?
So 1 second break is there. Once again the good match going on here, dear friends. Royal Rajasthan Club organize the volleyball matches, the first semi-final of this magnificent tournament, volleyball games. Absolutely jam-packed rally over there. Yes, Nilu once again comes into the picture. This time very good strike over there. Yes, to the net, but safe and drop the ball in the B United's net. Yes. Absolutely change in service from Nilu. This time for B United. For all, this is the scorecard for you. Oh, this time out of the box, absolutely. The change in the service. Now Sunrisers, Kanakrathna Sunrisers, perhaps the men in pink jersey, they are doing their best job as usual. This time Mahipal once again for B United doing the job up to the mark. Always comes in the picture. For all, this is the scorecard for you guys. For all, this is the point table. 15 which team will enter in the final? That is the question. The answer will be coming soon. Another match, a second match followed by this first semi-final, the second semi-final, and then the one match for third and fourth position, and then the mega final will appear here at Mumbai School Sports Association, CST Mumbai. We're watching live ND Sports Live, the excellent telecast of the Nikhil and technical team doing their job with the ease and with a professional manner. This time a good service by Nilu. And handsome once again Libro, the Congo. Good rally going on. Absolutely each and every point both the teams are struggling, and why not? This is the game of testing the abilities of the players, the capacity, the practice session, the strength of the player to play continuously, the alertness, the watching the ball continuously and just break the opposition. Yes, once again outside the box this time, and definitely the score is not moving, but the change in the service, the Nilu, jersey number 514, is now servicing the ball. And handsome was Kanakrathna Sunrisers opposition. Oh, this time once again the B United team. They are on the driver's seat. Absolutely, always they like to go aggressive game. B United versus Kanakrathna Sunrisers. Absolutely. For all. (7-4), the B United leading the match. Absolutely. 7-4 B United. Absolutely, it's a good game going on. The aggressive moment over there, very crucial moment for both the side. Kanakrathna Sunrisers wants to come back and take the lead in this semi-final, because the loser will go to home and the winner will straight go to in the finals today. So very crucial moment for both the teams. Sunrisers as well as B United team wants to win this match. Absolutely, the good and attractive trophy, RRC trophy, Sattva Premier League Trio 2024. The volleyball matches, you're watching the first semi-final of the tournament, followed by second semi-final. Oh, this time the referee, the toughest job of referees, the Mr. Nana, doing their job absolutely number one job. Very alertness, very calm and cool umpiring by Nanaji. 3 umpires we are having for this beautiful tournament. Once again service won by the Sunrisers player. Sangvi comes in the picture. This time again Nilu. Jersey number 514. Libro to Libro. This time game is going on and on. लेना चाहते हैं महिपाल भी उस समय के साथ आगे बढ़ेंगे. अच्छा टैकल वहाँ पर करते हुए दोनों टीम अटैक तो अच्छा कर रहे हैं. अटैक के बाद यह काउंटर अटैक आपने हर हमेशा की तरह देखा है. बी यूनाइटेड हमेशा अग्रेसर रहती है. दे आर द अट्रैक्टिव प्लेयर्स आर देयर. दिस टाइम मच मोर ताकत का इस्तेमाल बॉक्स के बाहर गेंद गई है. बी यूनाइटेड स्टिल आर अहेड with 7 versus Kanakaratna. Sunrisers made 4 points. 7 versus 4, 8 points. A dream total of 15. The target of each and every team is there. The United at the moment they are leading the side. This time Sunrisers and the United going nicely. Very much thrilling and exciting match today. The first semi-final of the day, 14th April 2024. So this time through the net, once again the good set by the player for Sunriser. And why not? Yes, once again B United RM as usual, very alert, very active. Sangvi once again doing the job at their best. Mahipal, yes or no? What happened? Mahipal is doing the job. 7 versus 5. Slowly but steadily, Sunrisers chasing the score, chasing B United score. 7 versus 5. B United leading in this match at the moment, but any time the game will change definitely. What spectators want, every match will be exciting and every match will be crucial, thrilling. Entertainment. This is the only motto of RRC behind this beautiful tournament. There is no question of any jealousy, but only a love and affection between the players of RRC. Various players are there who played a magnificent performance in the volleyball or in the box of football, or you maybe say in the box cricket as well. The three dimension of this tournament. Royal Rajasthan Club organized go through the net, but this time unsuccessful attempt. Error is there, and Nero will strike again. In the hands of B United. 7 versus 6. This is the point table you're just showing. And Sports Live streaming for the spectators who are watching the game at home. But there is a good facilities over here. I invite all the spectators who are watching live through the YouTube stream. This time Mahipal doing their best job. Once again Libro. Yes, continuously. Once again the RM always comes in the picture. What a magnificent job for setter through the net, and this time the point is there. 7 versus 6. The B United leading with the points. The serviceman for Sunrisers through the net this time. Good set. Yes, Libro comes in the picture again. Sangvi and Kango. These are the players who are playing magnificent performance for B United. The rally is going very nicely and a very poised match this time. Very crucial moment for both the sides. Through the net this time to Libro of Sunrisers. Absolutely. The sun is rising. But what will be the result of the match? Yes, good attempt, good task for each and every player to win this semi-final, and in the finals, every team wants. After this match, you will be watch a second semi-final of this tournament, the RRC Trio Sattapur Premier League 2024. Continuously the 45 minutes game, and in this restricted 45 minutes, every player doing their best, and they are wants to make a history. Oh no, this time Sunrisers landed inside the court, and Sunrisers coming back with a very much attractive performance this time. Absolutely the much more thrilling game. So don't go away. You're watching a semi-final, first semi-final of the tournament, RRC organized Sattapur Premier League SPL Trio 2024. Sponsors of this beautiful tournament, Bansali Engineering Polymers Limited, as well as co-sponsors Asia. So strength, safety and success, these are the three models of Asia. Thanks a lot to sponsors and co-sponsors, as well as the organizing committee who organized this wonderful tournament and wonderful excitement over there. The first semi-final you're watching. The break point is there. Don't go away. We are coming back live with the ND Sports Nikhil and technical team also doing their best job. So don't go away. Stay tuned. Thank you. So once again, welcome back all the viewers, spectators, players and organizing supporting staff. You are watching first semi-final of the Sattapur Premier League Trio 2024 between these two teams, Kanakratna Sunrisers men in a pink jersey, as well as B United men's in a great jersey. At the moment, 7-all. This is the picture. What a exciting, what a thrilling match. Absolutely, both the teams are playing at their best level and showing some good performance for the spectators. Entertainment, the motto of the RRC organization. And why not the opportunity given to players to perform their best in the 2024 RRC organized this SPL 2024. Volleyball matches are there, then football matches, cricket matches, three-dimensional opportunities given by Royal Rajasthan Club organization. So thanks a lot to organization to give an opportunity to everyone. The rally going on this time, good rally after the break, the long rally. This time the out of the box, what a good judgment by jersey number 26, Mr. Sangvi. The judgment is more important, where the ball is pitching out of the court or inside the court. That is the judgment. Every player should know that. This time again service is there by the Nilu Haramesha Kitara. This time Libro in the picture, always active person, always in the business, quite busy person, the Libro person. The 7 plays allowed, and the center man, Mr. Kango, doing their best job, the classic player for United and Sunrisers, the experienced players are there in Sunrisers squad. They are also doing their best so far because scores are level 7-7. If you look at the score point table, you will know how strengthful teams are there. Both the teams are very strong. Seven all. This is the point table. This time the change in the service. Absolutely a thrilling and exciting match, guys. Absolutely, my dear friends. You're watching RRC organize the Satyapur Premier League SPL Trio 2024. The RRC Committee, the Honorable President Lalit Chandanji and his all teammates absolutely done the job magnificently to organize this tournament in 3 dimensions, volleyball, football and cricket as well. So these are the situation, the 7 all, and the change in the side. This time Sunrisers team will service from left side of the court. So this will make some difference or not. We will see after the short break. Don't go away, guys. You're watching SPL Trio 2024, the volleyball matches, semi-finals and finals today. Thank you.
हेलो So welcome all the viewers, spectators. You're watching Royal Rajasthan Club organize this beautiful tournament over here. Absolutely, the good tournament and sponsored by Bansali Engineering Polymers Limited and co-sponsors of this beautiful tournament, Asia Strength, Safety and Success. The start of the tournament, the match started. KD the Libroman, serviced by Nilu. Once again the battle going on. The change in the side can affect this the points table, the match of the. Yes, absolutely, the good strike.
बढ़िया विजय बढ़िया
The good rally going on and on. This time
The set of through the nets, he's not doing best at the moment. 7 versus B United leading the at the moment. Kanakaratna Sunrisers as well. Yeah. The good rally going on. Mr. PM, RM, KD. These are the players from Sunrisers. Very experienced players are there. Oh, yes, this time good strike over there. And once again the Sunrisers, the men in pink. This time the service by the players. Absolutely the good service. BJ, jersey number 27, he serviced that ball towards the B United side. AB, KD is the libero of the Sunriser, very experienced, good serve by PB. And KD this time, jersey number 9, doing their job at the best. Once again, BJ, jersey number 27, comes in the picture. Once again, always the ball is traveling to the libero to libero. Kango playing the good passes. अच्छा खेल रहे हैं दोनों भी टीमों के बीच का मुकाबला है. अंतराल के बाद ब्रेक टाइम के बाद अब साइड को चेंज करने के बाद थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर कमबैक करती है टीम. द मैच इज ओनली लेवल्स आर देयर. 7 versus 8. B United leading only from the 1 point over here. So big match over here played between these two teams. B United versus Kanakaratna Sunrisers. Absolutely the jam-pack match. Once again Kango comes in the picture, libero to libero. The service is going on and on. This time once again the Lilu is there. KD, the experienced player, putting some experience in the game for Sunrisers and collecting point as well. We've seen that. Oh, through the net, good work by PB, jersey number 18. Yes, continuously the interest and the thrilling excitement is going up to the level. Each rally is took some 5 to 4 minutes, and after that the point will change. This is the scenario, this is the picture, because both the teams doing their best this time. AB not doing the good thing for team Sunrisers. Error is there. Still B United little bit ahead, leading the game with 9 versus 7.
Come on guys, cheer up.
The B United only 2 points ahead from Sunrisers, and Sunrisers absolutely chasing the score right from the beginning of this first semi-final. Continuously game is going on and on. Perfect passes through the nets, through the opposition side. कोशिश करनी होगी हर संभव कोशिश के बाद. अब ये देखिए, ये खेमे के बाद बी यूनाइटेड का जो खेमा है बिल्कुल हर्ष उल्लास के साथ अब झूम उठा है, क्योंकि वो अग्रेसर है इस मैच में पूरी तरह से. सनराइजर्स की टीम अब हर संभव कोशिश कर रही है कि कैसे इस मैच में लीड लिया जाए और बी यूनाइटेड के जो पॉइंट्स टेबल में जो उन्होंने जो लीड ली है उसे तोड़ा जाए. कोशिश तो जारी है, लेकिन किंतु परंतु 15 अंकों के साथ खेलना चाहेंगे दिस टाइम सर्विसमैन बीजे, जैसे नंबर 27. लिबरो टू लिबरो लगातार हर संभव कोशिश जारी. दोनों टीमों के बीच एक लंबी रैली 5 to 4 मिनट्स की, हर एक रैली के बाद उसका निर्णय होता है. नेट के लिए यहाँ पर करते हुए Kanakaratna Sunrisers with 7 points on point table, or P United 9 points are there, 27. This time
सर्विस से मतलब नहीं है.
the extra time will start. The game will start for 45 minutes passes away, and the extra time, who will win the match? That is the question. The B United a little bit ahead from Kanagaratna Sunrisers, 7 versus 9. So this is the crucial moment for both the side. The first semi-final. You are watching the live ND Sports streaming on YouTube. Absolutely, the excellent game of volleyball. If you're talking about team, yes, outside the court this time by United, and the point definitely will raise 8.
चलो guys, come on, come on.
At the moment, 10 points ahead with the 7. 10 with 7. Big game, because this is the semi-final match, the knockout match, and absolutely we've seen league matches the last 2 Sundays, but this time the team will qualify for the final. Who will win the match? That is the question. B United little bit ahead. They knows how to win, but Sunrisers team, absolutely the marvelous efforts, marvelous performance throughout the tournament we've seen from the players of Sunrisers. In this match, they are behind absolutely. The 10 points.
guys. चलो ना, good going है guys, good going है. चलो full pressure है guys, full pressure है.
8 versus 10, they are leading the side. B United a little bit ahead. The last few minutes extra time game is on, and 8-10, this is the lead. B United on 10 points. Yes, this time the Sunrisers are not successful this time. The change in the service, Nilu will service that ball. Successful people don't do different things, but they do things differently, ऐसा कहा जाता है. This time अच्छे खेलने का प्रभाव, this time outside the box, और Sunrisers टीम 10 से यहाँ पर एक दूसरे के आगे पीछे चल रहे हैं कंटिन्यूसली.
अभी पांचों पांच अपने चलो guys.
11-10, this is the score for you. The last few minutes left in extra time. Yes, once again the United coming back with the ease.
Take it easy, Arun bhai, no problem.
The 15 point, that will be the last
Good one, baby.
victory point for every side. Only 4 points needed to win this match, but which team will definitely chase the total of 15 points? That is the question. The race is going on continuously. ये बैटल चलता हुआ इस बार रैली बहुत ही बड़ी रैली इस बार हमने देखी है. दोनों टीमों की हर संभव बरकस प्रयास किया जा रहा है. कौन सी टीम इस प्रतियोगिता में जीतेगी, फाइनल्स में प्रवेश करना है तो बिल्कुल ऐसा ही मैच होना चाहिए. एक्साइटमेंट, थ्रिलिंगनेस, एवरी मोमेंट आर गोइंग ऑन. द प्लेयर्स एंड स्पेक्टेटर्स ऑल्सो enjoying this match all along the ground through the ND Sports live streaming. Those who are watching on YouTube, they are also enjoying the game. And why not? Such a absolutely jam-packed, the class players are playing, and the game is they're showing their class as well in this match. Now this time KD is there, absolutely behind the young players, experienced players over there. Libro Congo for B United. The rally is going on marvelously because few points left, 12 versus 10. The B United leading only 3 points need to win the match for B United. And if you're talking about Konnakarta Sunrisers, 5 points away from the victory. But the first team, which team will complete the point table? The points of 15, number 15 is a team total for each and every team. The first semi-final, you are watching Royal Rajasthan Club organized this SPL Trio 2024. Biggest rally we've seen throughout the tournament between teams. अगर दोनों टीमों के बीच सबसे बड़ी रैलियाँ अगर किसी टीमों के बीच देखी गई है तो ये मैच है सेमीफाइनल. लगातार 5 से 10 मिनट तक एक रैली चली है, उसके बाद फिर निर्णय हुआ है उस रैली का. तो यही एक्साइटमेंट गेम है क्योंकि दोनों टीमों के पास स्ट्रेंथ और स्ट्रॉन्ग खिलाड़ी है, बिल्कुल अच्छे खेल रहे हैं. और इस प्रतियोगिता में जो टीम सेमीफाइनल से फाइनल में जाएगी बिल्कुल पूरी तरह से मेहनत और मशक्क़त के साथ जाएगी. एंड दे विल डिजर्व फॉर दैट. ईच एंड एवरी टीम वी आर स्ट्रगलिंग टू विन द मैच, डूइंग देयर बेस्ट. मेहनत के साथ आगे बढ़ रहे, लगातार कोशिश की जा रही है. पसीना बहाना होगा और खेल को जारी रखना होगा, जो जारी किया वो हम देख भी रहे हैं. बिल्कुल जैसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने चाहा था ऐसा ही मैच आपके सामने है. एक संडे की यह पकवान ब्रेकफास्ट के साथ अब सभी स्पेक्टेटर्स इस मैच को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. रॉयल राजस्थान क्लब ऑर्गेनाइज SPL ट्रायो 2024 टूर्नामेंट के तहत हमने देखा है कई मरतबा जो बॉल है वो आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स जाता है, आउट ऑफ द कोर्ट जाता है, उसके बाद फिर एरर के साथ पॉइंट्स टेबल में बढ़ोतरी होती है. इस बार 12 versus 10, the B United leading with 2 points at the moment. Oh yes, Sunrisers यहाँ पर जजमेंट की कमी, B United के साथ जजमेंट की कमी यहाँ पर दिखाई दी और उस बॉल को छोड़ा था. 11-12. This is a very close match, very exciting match. Once again, chase number 27 will serve the match. And the good luck is there by AV. Just kissing that ball and saying good's going on. सर जी ओ सर जी absolutely good match over here. It's a good going on over here. The match is absolutely marvelous. A good gigantic match over here. बी यूनाइटेड वर्सेस सनराइजर्स के बीच का मुकाबला आप देख रहे हैं सीधे लाइव प्रसारण इंडी स्पोर्ट्स के माध्यम से, और आरआरसी ऑर्गेनाइज दिस हैंडसम टूर्नामेंट अच्छी तरह से इस मैच को अब पॉइस किया है. 12 वर्सेस 11. The always Be United leading in this match. Only a 1 point difference is. Oh yes, this time 12 points. This is the situation. इससे आपको पता चलेगा कि सनराइजर्स के साथ इस मैच में 12 ऑल के तहत खेल रहे हैं. 12 ऑल ये मैच बेहतरीन तरीके से यहाँ पर संपन्न होता हुआ, और कश्मकश पूरी तरह से थ्रिलिंग मैच गोइंग ऑन, बिकॉज दोनों टीमों के बीच का मुकाबला जो है अच्छी तरह से होता हुआ. सर अब जाके यहाँ पर लेट गया है. Match over here between the team Kanakratta Sunrisers versus B United. This time a service by Sunrisers. The crucial moment. 12 all. एक तेरी तो एक नहीं. Both the teams are doing their best job at the moment. A very crucial match, very thrilling match over here. The good match going on, the first semi-final of this beautiful tournament. A big match going on. Absolutely the crucial moments for the team. Little bit of ahead. 13 versus 12. First time the Kanakratta Sunrisers leading this match, and excitement will be raised much more. Match is going on, and this time absolutely a very much exciting and thrilling match you are watching, guys, dear friends. This is the 14th April 2024, the first semi-final of the tournament of volleyball matches, followed by mega final of this volleyball game, and the first match is how exciting. कश्मकश भरा मुकाबला आप देख रहे हैं, और यहाँ पर पहली बार इस मैच में सनराइजर्स ने थोड़ी सी अग्रेसर हुए हैं इस मैच में, और क्यों ना हो जो गेम है दोनों तरफ के साथ दोनों खिलाड़ी भरकस प्रयास कर रहे हैं, और कौन सी टीम फाइनल में जाएगी इसका निर्णय में होगा. देखिए फिर एक बार लगातार कोशिश जारी है. Oh yes.
कोई नहीं.
14 वर्सेस 12. देखिए एक पॉइंट जो टीम पीछे थी वो खरगोश और कछुए की जो रेस थी, आपने कहानी सुनी होगी टेल, उसके तहत यहाँ पर सनराइजर्स ने अब आगे यहाँ पर बढ़ोतरी प्राप्त की है इस मैच में. 14 वर्सेस 12. once again playing a superb match. The second match, semi-final, will be telecast here very soon after this match. But in the first semi-final, which team will enter in the final? That is the question in front of spectators and all volleyball lovers this time. (14 versus 12). 14 versus 13 perhaps this time. Only 1 point ahead. Very exciting, absolutely. The jam-packed, the paisa vasool match जिसे कहते हैं. The success of organization committee absolutely depends on this. Good rally going on. The United team wants to come back definitely. They know how to come back. We've seen throughout the tournament B United much more capacity and potential having the players from B United. Yes, यही मैं कह रहा था कि बी यूनाइटेड के जो प्लेयर्स हैं ना, उनको पता है कि कैसे हम पीछा करेंगे, कैसे हम इस मैच में आगे आएंगे, ये भी हमें पता चलता है. तो ये सब बातें यहाँ पर हो चुकी है. So Kanakaratna Sunrisers versus B United. This is the match going on here. 14 all. देखिए किस प्रकार के साथ इस मैच में आया है. कभी बी यूनाइटेड आगे होती है तो कभी कनकरत्न सनराइजर्स आगे होती है. तो लगातार ये एक दूसरे का पीछा करते हुए इस मैच में हमने देखा है. लगातार कोशिश जारी है और कोशिश के बाद हम देख रहे हैं 14 ऑल. दिस इज़ द मोमेंट एट द मोमेंट ऑफ द फर्स्ट सेमीफाइनल. कैसा होना चाहिए, हर एक मैच की अभिलाषा आकांक्षा मनसा करते हैं, उसी प्रकार के साथ पैसा वसूल मैच आपके सामने प्रदर्शित हो रहा है. तो सेमीफाइनल्स का मुकाबला कनकरत्न सनराइजर्स एंड बी यूनाइटेड. Magnificent performance by both the side, and they are giving the lot of opportunities of entertainment today, 14th April 2024. The exciting day for every side who are playing semi-finals of this beautiful tournament organized by RRC committee, SPL Trio 2024. The beautiful sponsors of this tournament is Bansali Engineering Polymers Limited, as well as co-sponsors Asia. Thanks a lot with all the co-sponsors and sponsors who organize such a magnificent tournament and provide the opportunity of golden moments, the much more excitement, entertainment and thrillness in this first match of semi-final number 1. 14 all. What a match, exciting. Absolutely. Those who are watching on YouTube live and the sports streaming also enjoying the match definitely. The volleyball lovers enjoy the match quite nicely. This time out of the box, Sunrisers team. This time every team wants success. 15 versus 14. The B United now leading. देखिए बी यूनाइटेड फिर एक बार छलांग लगाते हुए पीछे से आगे गए हैं. कभी सनराइजर्स आगे जाती है तो कभी बी यूनाइटेड आगे जाती है. तो लगातार ये कोशिश जारी है. दोनों टीमों के बीच का मुकाबला काफ़ी अच्छा मुकाबला. इस प्रतियोगिता का मैं तो कहूँगा सबसे बढ़िया मुकाबला आपके सामने तरस होने जा रहा है. इस बार आउट ऑफ द कोर्ट जो लैंड की है ये बॉल ने, वो आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स है. और ये अच्छा जजमेंट है भी जैसे नंबर 24 का. चेंज इन सर्विस दिस टाइम कौन सी टीम जीतेगी, यही क्वेश्चन सभी वॉलीबॉल लवर्स के सामने है दिस टाइम। खेलना तो चाहते हैं, जीतना तो हर साइड चाहेगी, लेकिन खेल को आपको ऊंची पायदान पर लेके जाना होगा। मेंटल एंड फिजिकल एबिलिटी टेस्टेड दिस टाइम ऑफ ऑल द प्लेयर्स ऑफ बोथ द साइड। इस टाइम नेट से निकाला, गुड सेटर्स, गुड ब्लॉकर्स एंड अच्छा पासेस हमें देखने मिला है, अच्छी रैलीज हमें देखने मिली है थ्रू आउट दिस मैच। सेमीफाइनल नंबर 1 देखिए जैसा ही एरर मिलता है 15 ऑल। देखिए क्या मैच हुआ है, कौन सी टीम इस मैच में जीतेगी। बस 2 पॉइंट्स के अंतराल से आगे जाना होगा अगर मैच को जीतना है कौन सी भी टीम को। तो हर संभव कोशिश की जा रही है। कहते हैं कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती और यूं ही नैया पार भी नहीं होती। आपके नैया को पार करना है तो आपको पॉइंट्स टेबल में 2 अंक अर्जित करने होंगे। डिफरेंस के साथ इस मैच को जीतना, जीत किसी भी की हो, लेकिन दोनों टीमों ने जो खेल दिखाया है ना वो काबिल तारीफ है। परफॉर्मेंस, outstanding performance by both the side today in the first semi-final. The B United very young side, if you consider the team look at the team of Kanakaratna Sunrisers, experience as well as the young lads are there, the mixture of both the ages, but they are playing with this mixture. Excellent performance today. They are behind with the B United team, and they come back with the grace. And this time, at the moment, the United the teams are level the score with 15 points. This time, Kanakaratna Sunrisers won the match, and this is the match which every team wants to play. Well played, B United team. The first semi-final won by Kanakaratna Sunrisers. The men in pink, they are behind the B United team, and just a moment they gone. There's the level of strength and level of their energy. Just boost up the energy of the last moment, the crucial moment, and they just beat the B United with 1 point. Absolutely, the marvelous game, exciting.